Life is moving so fast. Haven't you ever felt like that? So it is better to follow some hacks to make this life simpler. No, we're not talking about the boring daily routines to follow. Everyone knows about time management, financial control and stuff. But what about some other real-life hacks? Let us see 10 of such hacks today. Number 10. Toothbrush hacks. Yes, ladies, mascara makes your lashes lush and curvy. But sometimes that mascara forms lumps on your lashes. That doesn't look good. Here's a hack for you. Take a toothbrush and make sure it is clean. After applying mascara, use this brush on your lashes. The mascara contour will eventually get applied and no more lumps. Another one is a daily use hack. Mostly, you brush your teeth half sleepy. First, you have to brush the upper and lower sides. Why not brush both sides together? No, we're not kidding. A double-sided brush is a solution. This item is not yet available outside. So what do is take two brushes of equal size, then stick the back sides of the toothbrushes at the top. As you brush the lower jaw, the other brush will clean the upper jaw simultaneously. It saves time too. The narrow edges of your pot need tiny brushes to clean them. So take an old brush and use a lighter to slightly melt the body. Then bend this brush to form a slight L shape. Now you can easily clean these difficult to reach areas. Number 9. Preserving food items for a longer time. Food items get rotten very quickly. Sometimes we prefer to store and eat things slowly. But certain items have a shorter shelf life. What can we do about it? What about eggs? Even in the freezer, then rotten after half week. Just take a tin and form a base of salt powder. Place the eggs, then cover the eggs with some more salt. Now these eggs will stay fresh for a few more days. Next is watermelon. When watermelon season comes, you may buy some extra ones. You can easily keep them fresh by burying them in the ground. To keep the pineapple fresh, you must cut the head off and keep the fruit upside down on the plate. To keep ginger for a longer time, first put the ginger pieces in a jar. Then fill the jar with cold boiled water. Keep this in the fridge. Number 8. Cooking hacks. The most important hack to learn would be cooking hacks. Because if you do not know the right way, you will surely waste your time and effort on silly tasks. Like peeling the shells of boiled eggs, cutting onions, etc. Are you ready for some cooking hacks? Sometimes, you need a great deal of energy to squeeze the juice of lemons out of it. There is an easier way for this. If you're not having a squeezer, no problem. Just take the toothpick. Make a hole in the top of the lemon and squeeze it that side. The juice will jump out of that hole. It is your breakfast that you get the least time to prepare. Amidst the hurry and bury morning routine, peeling the shell of an egg should not be a task. Just take a glass and fill it with tap water. Place a boiled egg in the glass, then cover the mouth of the glass with your hand and shake the glass well. Take the egg out and slightly push the whole shell away from the egg. Number 7. Keep your fridge clean. On Sundays, it is cleaning day. Fridge cleaning is never a task now. Because you place plastic sheets over the racks, right? If not, then use it from now onwards. You can save a lot of time. Moreover, the glass rack will stay clean. And to clean the rail rack, take a sponge and make slits. Spray some soap and wipe the rails using the sponge. It will make the rails spotless. Also, there will be some food stains on the surfaces. To remove those, take a cloth and dip it in hot water. Wipe the surface with this cloth. Now it is easier for you to remove these stains. For cleaning any mold formations, use baking soda and water mix. Start cleaning from top to bottom. Number 6. Loop-free cables. Want to listen to some audio? But it will take some time to unwind the earphone wire. After use, fold the wire as a loop and then use hair clips to clip them together. So, no more tangling of wires. If you're keeping necessary cables in a box altogether, then it will be a mess. Rather, fold each cable and keep it inside a cylindrical cardboard piece. That is handy and easy too. Also, take a small spring and entangle it around this cable to keep the phone charger from breaking, especially from the USB end. Now, the wire becomes flexible with the spring. It will not cause breakage from that end. Number 5. Rubber band hacks. Every household will have some rubber bands handy. So, let us see how they can make your life easier. Let us make a cup of tea. A cup has been taken and the ETA bag is kept inside. Tag outside. Boiling water is poured. Oops! The tag went inside the cup due to the force of the water. But this will never happen again if you use a rubber band to keep the tag close to the cup. Suppose your straw is shorter than your bottle. That is so irritating, but no worries. Take a band and wrap it around the bottleneck and the straw. That's it. Number 4. Selfie hack. A single day without taking any selfies is nearly impossible. Suppose there are a few people and your hands are no longer enough to include every one of them. What will you do? Just search for a dustpan. Even when you're in a public place, you might surely find one. Keep your phone inside the pan facing you. Do not forget to keep it on a timer. Then click the selfie. Remember to keep a tissue under the phone to keep out of dust. This hack may sound a bit weird, still is useful. Number 3. A self-made amplifier. How much does a good amplifier cost? Forget that, let us make one. Take a cardboard box, take about 24 paper cups, and cut the bottoms away. Now place the bottoms of the cups on the cardboard and cut out 6 such holes on the 4 sides of the box. Stock the hollow cups to the hole in the box. Remember to keep a slit on the top of the cardboard box to slide your phone in. That is the handmade amplifier for you. Test it, they're amazing. Number 2. How to store socks. Finding your pair of socks out of a large pile is a task. It is both tiring and time-consuming. We need a better way to store these socks. There is one. Take a hanger and open it from one end. Then take an old plastic water bottle. Cut off the narrow top portion, cut the other portion of the bottle spirally. Now, we got a spiral plastic spring. Paste one end of the spring to the hanger, the other end too. Now we can easily hang our pairs of socks on these plastic rings. It is easy, won't you agree? For traveling purposes, you prefer to make things smaller to ace packing. This is possible with socks. So that you will never lose the other one of the pair, place both socks perpendicular to each other. First, fold both ends of the first sock, then the ends of the next sock. The last end should be tucked in, so now that your pair of socks is just a capsule shape. Number 1. Easy cleaning. The inside of a car contains a lot of dust and other tiny particles. It needs a lot of time to clean, but only if you have no common sense. If you're smart, you will buy some slime first. Then spread the slime on surfaces that need cleaning. Every particle will stick to the slime, making your car look cleaner. The next one is to clean those tiny rails your door slides on. Take your hair dryer, then take a bottle and cut its back side. Fit it to the back end of the dryer. Cover the front end too. Switch on the dryer. Now the back side of the hair dryer acts like a small vacuum pump. All the dust will get into the bottle. Did you like this video? If you did, give us a thumbs up. Also comment down your thoughts. Which hack is more useful for you? Also, share other easy ways and tips that you found really helpful. More videos will now appear on your screen. Click on them and enjoy. We'll meet again soon. Take care and bye.